Lay the U-shaped tubes flat, align the connectors and slide them together until they click into place. Adjust the base to your desired width, then lock the tubes securely. Remove the wing screw if already attached. Insert the U-shaped tubes into the L-shaped supports until they click securely in place. Slide the upper handrail and attached fixing piece into the L-shaped support tubes. Set the height if necessary, and lock it with the C-clips. Use the wing screw to secure the upper handrail. Tuck the bed rail securely between the mattress and the box spring, or position it between the mattress and the wood slats. It is normal for the bed rail to have some wobble during use. This does not compromise its safety or stability when properly installed. The bed rail can be used safely without the strap. For added strength, continue watching the video to learn how to attach the strap to the bed frame. Place the bed rail base under the mattress. Wrap the strap around the opposite side of the bed frame, clip it and pull tight. Tuck away any excess strap. That's it. Installation is complete. Place your mattress back, and your bed rail is safely ready to use.